we are able to provide a secure communication and an effective communication between two ESP devices. This is about my project. My name is Aditya Krishna and I'm an S7 EC student. So I would like to ask a question first. What is IoT or what is Internet of Things? So IoT is a domain where we try to connect or we try to establish a connection for our devices or our peripherals to the internet. Why? So that we are able to provide the access or accessibility to our devices so that anyone or any person from any region of the world will be able to access that. My mini project that I did during my S6 semester, that is providing or like ESP-NOW Communication Protocol for IoT Sensor Networks, where I try to build a system or a network where there are two most commonly available microcontroller boards, that is ESP32 boards. I try to communicate between them using a proprietary protocol that is developed by ESP Expressive companies or Expressive Enterprise for the ESP32 boards alone, and that is called ESP-NOW protocol. And there are mainly two devices, that is one acts as a transmitter and the another ESP acts as a receiver. So in the transmitter region or the transmitter module, I integrate a DHT11 sensor that is basically that is used to read our humidity or temperature. In the transmitter, I read this data, and with the help of this protocol that I told or explained, with that protocol, the data will be transferred to the receiver part. So with the help of this ESP-NOW, we are able to make a connectionless transmission of data, because the ESP2 ESP boards are not getting connected in between. They are able to transfer data based on the MAC address, like the transmitter knows the MAC address of the receiver. So how is this useful? There are some regions where we are not able to directly integrate this type of connection or communication link between the devices. We are able to provide a communication link where we are not able to access the Wi-Fi directly, or even we are not able to use Bluetooth, because when you are using Bluetooth, the connection or the network becomes much small when we are comparing that with the ESP-NOW protocol. Because in ESP-NOW, we can integrate much more devices, because there are much more peripheral options such as one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-one, and or we can also do a broadcast option. So with the help of this, we are able to provide a secure communication and an effective communication between two ESP devices where we don't even need an internet connection. So this is about my project.